Today we're diving into the world of SEO. Don't worry if that sounds techy. We're keeping it simple. So what is SEO? It stands for Search Engine Optimization. Sounds complicated, right? But it's actually pretty straightforward. Why is this important? Well, think about it. When was the last time you clicked to the second page of Google results? Exactly. Most people don't. So if your business isn't on that first page, you're missing out on a lot of potential customers. Good SEO can do the following for your business. 1. Bring more people to your website. 2. Help you stand out from competitors. 3. Build trust with potential customers. And best of all, it can do these things 24/7. So how do you do SEO? Here are some basics. 1. Use words in your website that people are searching for. 2. Make sure your website loads quickly and works well on phones. 3. Create helpful, interesting content that people want to read and share. And 4. Get other reputable websites to create links to your website. Remember, SEO isn't about tricking search engines. It's about making your website the best it can be for your customers. When you do that, search engines will naturally want to show your site to more people. SEO isn't an overnight success story. It takes time and effort, but the results can be amazing for your business in the long run. If you want your business to thrive online, SEO is definitely something you should be thinking about. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. ZP Worldwide's official website is zpworldwide.com for solutions to all your website needs. Follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Twitter, now known as X, at ZP Worldwide. It's greatly appreciated. We would like to know if you have any questions about SEO in the comments below. Let us know what tech-related topics you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video.